We'll write letters to all the major gas companies to desist from supplying to gas to anyone who does not have the necessary permits. To the county government of Mombasa for this particular financial year has not approved anywhere that has any gas or dealing with fuel other than the fuel stations. Now the sub-county administration will be given a memo that they need to go around every single place together with the team from the SPP. The only time we will be able to give a license to people who are dealing with gas and the rest is if they're in concurrence with EPRA and NEMA as well, and the county government fire inspection has been able to satisfy that the neighboring area will not be at risk. Kwa hiyo wito wangu kwa watu wote, hii mambo kufanya biashara bila kujali ya kwa nini tunawapatia pole yale yalotokea kwengine, lakini ukiona mwenzako ametambaliwa, na wewe lazima uanze kujiprepare yasiweze kukufikia wewe. So those are the instructions. Kwanza, no licenses have been issued so far because there's been no fire inspection certificate that has been issued for this particular year.